textiles in Margaret Olley's home studio played an important role as subject matter for painting, bringing rich pattern and colour to her compositions. Cushions and fabrics on lounges, kilims on the floor, cloths or kilims draped over tabletops become areas of directional line, contrast and colour. Sometimes rendered with sharp attention to detail, and at other times with loose, energetic dabs and dashes of paint. This is Still Life 1986, and it's the inspiration for our next Still Life challenge. Here, Olley covers the tabletop with a kilim featuring a geometric pattern of triangles. The flattened pattern silhouettes the lower half of the Still Life arrangement, while in the top half the tiger lilies, reflected in the colour of the kilim and the fruit, explode with striking colour and strong angular form. Olley set this arrangement up in the front room of her Duxford Street home studio. This beautiful arrangement is an evocative celebration of the domestic, to which she adds subtle signs of time and life in the fallen flower petals and the scissors. In 2019, we invited contemporary artist Adam Pyatt to make new work in response to the recreation of Olley's home studio. He began this process by drawing a metal stand with dried pomegranates and papers on the mantelpiece in the yellow room. He later made drawings of patterns on cushions from Olley's sitting room. On return to his own studio in Victoria, he merged these ideas, flattening the pattern of the cushion fabric to form a covering for the mantelpiece. We hope you enjoy this month's Still Life challenge inspired by Olley's Still Life 1986. Don't forget to share your responses with us at Unlocking Margaret's House.